Hi everyone, I am Lloyd James J. Abenoza from BSBA 1G. And I have a 50 pesos here. And now, I'm going to buy ice cream. Ayo! Bye ice cream.
Yung balak nito.
The blue one costs 10 pesos. Another one is cost 12 pesos. The total ice cream that I bought is cost 44 pesos. I already paid 50 pesos and my change is 6 pesos. Change 6 pesos, that's my surplus.